Freesia from Tarte Cosmetics, and I'm going to take it back to basics today and show you guys exactly how I create the perfect winged liner. For today's liner look, I'm going to be using my favorite liner ever, Tarte's Sex Kitten liner. Like, how can you not love it? It's just so cute, and there's a little cat at the tip. Alright, so the first thing I do when I create a wing is start from the inner corner and draw to the outer corner. So I line my upper lash line first. And this part is totally up to you. You make it as thick as you want. Some days I'll be in the mood to have a more dramatic wing, so it'll be thicker. But other days I just keep it really minimal and thin for when I want to be a little bit more natural. Like maybe if I'm going to church or something, that's when I'll do a thinner line. Next thing I do after I create that line is extend the wing out, starting from the top part of the wing. And then what I do after I extend that wing, I connect it at the bottom and slowly build. What I do after I complete that wing is fill in the upper waterline. I know a lot of people like to use pencil liner for this, but I find that pencil liner smudges on my lower lash line towards the end of the day, so I just stick with my liner, liquid liner, and that's it. I understand that if you're completely new and a beginner to using liquid liner and doing a wing, that this tutorial might be a little hard for you, but it's all about practice, and don't give up. You will eventually reach fully good. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get updates on all of Tarte's videos. And yeah, that's it for today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!